Okay, let's do it again. One.
Oh,
Owl. Yes, it's an owl.
wow.
Say hi, guys.
Guys,
Welcome back to my channel. And tell them, how old are you?
one.
1. Yes. Can you tell them about the sound of the animals?
Oh,
Yeah, okay. So what does the cow say?
mm,
How about the cat
meow.
and the dog and the horsey?
Me.
Nay. What about the sheep?
About, about, yeah.
What about the tiger?
Oh, oh.
What does the tiger say?
Wow.
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 And what about what else, baby? What about the monkey? Ooh, ooh, and the gorilla?
Ho, ho,
So what this is that what Santa says? What does Santa say?
ho, ho, ho.
Ho ho ho. Who is Santa? Who is Santa?
Shadow.
Santa. Ho ho ho. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7, 8.
8,
What's next after 8?
9, 10.
Yay! Well done. How about the alphabet? Can you tell me about the alphabet? A. Can you tell me about the alphabet, baby? Can you tell me about the alphabet?
I
Mm-hmm.
read.
What's next? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye.